What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be an experiment because last night I was doing something I do quite often, and that is rewatching all of Jenna Marbles' videos. I literally watch her videos like the moment they come out, and then I rewatch them like once a week because she is so fucking funny and I love her and I want to be her, and yeah, she is my idol. So I was watching the one where she shaves her face and I was like, I want to do that. Because it's actually something I've done before, but I haven't done it in a really long time, and I kind of wanted to like do a test with it. So I basically want to shave my face, which might sound a little bit odd to you guys if you haven't done it before or seen other videos of people doing it, but it's not like I really like take shaving cream and like shave my face with like a regular razor that you would shave your legs with. No, you use these little eyebrow razors, or like the one Jenny uses, like a little tool from Canon that's like the same thing, but it has like a bigger handle. But you basically just take all of the peach fuzz off your face, and it's supposed to like make your skin smoother and make your makeup go on like better and hopefully last longer. I don't know if that's an actual claim, but that's what I hope would happen. So today's video, we're going to do a little bit of an experiment and really put to the test like what effect shaving your face or dermaplaning your face, because that's like the beauty term for it. People actually go to the dermatologist and like pay them money to shave their face when you could just get a fucking $2 razor and do it yourself at home. But yeah, so I'm going to dermaplane half of my face, and I'm going to do my makeup like normal, and we're going to go throughout the day and just see like what kind of effect does it have. I don't know if it'll really have much of an effect. I know that I've dermaplaned my face before, and when I did, there was like a spot somewhere on like this side of my face that like makeup just would not stick to, which was so odd, and I like didn't understand what was happening. Like literally there would just be like a patch where like makeup would not sit. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen because that would be like problematic. But yeah, let's just get to it because I'm excited to not have hair on my face. Well, half my face. And then I'm sure like after this experiment is done at the end of the night, I will take off my makeup and do the other side of my face so I'm not like half hairy, half not. So basically these little eyebrow razors, they're just like one single blade. They get dull really fast. They're like $3 for a pack of 3. They're super inexpensive, but yeah. I wish I had the other one that I used to have, but this pack is like a lot smaller of a blade, but the bigger ones are usually like out to here and like you would cover more area quicker. But I mean, this is what we got, so I'm gonna use that. I think I'm gonna do this side of my face. So let me zoom in so you guys can see. I don't even know if you can see my peach fuzz really, but I definitely do have some. So let's just go. I'm like afraid to take off too much. Ugh, my God, I'm like nervous. Oh my God. Do you guys see all that hair? Whoa, that is so much fuzz. But this is, I'm excited actually. Whoa, that is so satisfying, dude. Like, that was on my face. How? Don't run the blade over your face too hard. Just like drag it and it'll get all that fuzz. It's also going to take off a lot of like dead skin cells and kind of exfoliate. Oh my God, that feels so smooth. I'm going to go like down here because I do have like fuzz along my jawline. If this goes back in thicker, I'm going to be so tight. But you probably will get a little bit red, but that'll go away as long as you're not too harsh. But wow, my skin feels so smooth. Yes. Do you see how much like brighter this part looks? Hell yeah, dude. I did my skincare routine already, so whoa. I did my skincare routine and all that already, so probably taking all of that off, but it's okay. We're gonna put moisturizer on after. This is so much fun. Wow, oh my God, that's such a hairball. I'm disgusting. Do you see all of that? Ugh. Got the mustache, even though I got this like just the other day. Even my mole here has a little hair in it that sometimes I like to pluck because it just grosses me out when a mole has a hair growing from it. But yeah. Do I have any peach fuzz on my nose? I don't think so. Some people do. I don't think I have much though. But I do want to take off the dead skin that's in this area. Yeah, that seems more like dead skin that came off there. This is so much fun. Give this video a thumbs up if this is like satisfying for you to watch because I'm so into it. Yeah, I don't really have much on my forehead, but I guess like around my hairline. I'm so scared that I'm gonna like fuck up my hairline right now. Take off my edges. But yeah, like around the eyebrow over here, I usually get with this thing because it just makes cleaning up It makes like doing your brows so much easier if you have a unibrow, which I definitely do. I pluck most of it, like the dark hairs, but there's always like fuzz there, which is super annoying. So that's not like half my face, but you know, I just gotta get the whole uni. Wow, I feel like this side of my face is so much like brighter. Don't you think? Wow, my hair looks so crazy in the back. Oh, that was so much fun. I could sit here and do this all day long. Am I giving myself a new hairline like the Kardashians? You ever notice that Kim Kardashian's hairline is completely different than when she first became famous? Definitely had some laser on her hairline. Okay, my skin feels so smooth. Like you can totally feel the fuzz on this side, and the side feels like completely clean and smooth and so nice. I cannot wait to do this side of my face later tonight. But yeah, let's get into makeup application to see how it feels. I'm gonna start off with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, just because I didn't apply moisturizer before because I figured it was gonna come off anyway. So I'm gonna use this as my moisturizer today. I feel like this is gonna have an effect on how this product, like how moisturizers and primers and stuff absorb in the skin. So that's gonna be interesting. This side of my face feels so much smoother. It's insane. Like it definitely got off a bunch of dead skin cells as well as the peach fuzz, because it feels so good. This side feels like more moisturized too now. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with some primer, the Step 1 Smoothing Primer from Makeup Forever. This is mostly just for my pores, but also smooths out my skin, which this side doesn't really need right now, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, and I don't feel like there's gonna be much of a difference with me filling in my eyebrows, but I think when I start carving them out with concealer, that's when you're gonna see a difference. Okay, I'm going in with concealer to carve it out. Let's see. I feel like that glided on so much easier than usual. Hell yeah, this is like going on so easy on this side, like just so effortless. Yeah, this is like not going on as smoothly. Honestly, I'm not shocked, but like a little bit, like, you know. Application of the concealer, I definitely felt like the side that I dermaplaned went on better, so that's kind of cool. I'm gonna go in with my concealer now. Lately I've been like spot concealing under my foundation and then applying a lighter layer foundation, and my skin has been like lasting so much longer during the day. I usually go around my nose, a little on my nose because my foundation tends to rub off there. And lately I've been using the Real Techniques like Jimungo. This is their body sponge, and it's actually incredible. I feel like it makes my foundation look so amazing, and it helps me put it on so much quicker. Like everything just blends out so quickly because of how big this damn sponge is. So I'm kind of obsessed with it. It is kind of hard to get like between your eyebrows and stuff, but it's okay. You make it work. I'm realizing how white I look because I self-tanned. Okay, so I don't know. I didn't really tell a difference in that step, which side went on better. I probably should have done it side by side to kind of get a comparison, but they both kind of look the same right now. I'm interested to see how it's gonna look with like a full coverage, but right now, oh wow, actually this side does look a little bit smoother now that I'm looking at it. But yeah, let's go on foundation. Today I'm using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. I'm gonna use the shade 3 Beige. I have a full review on this. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put a card for it. But I'm gonna do like 3 pumps because the pumps in this foundation are like kind of small. I'll blend out one side at a time so you can see. You see this sponge? I don't know if it's the sponge or the dermaplaning, but do you see how easily this is blending out? Probably could have used a darker shade. I forgot about the self-tanner. I'll just bronze, it's fine. Wow, that looks so nice and smooth. Literally, that took me like 20 seconds to blend out. Isn't that crazy? Let's try this side. I feel like I got a fuller coverage on this side. Like this is like, not patchy, but I can see more stuff peeking through on the side, but that also could be that there's more stuff to peek through on the side. I don't know. I'm not telling too much of a difference right now. I mean, I think this sponge just makes everything so easy to blend out. We will see when it like dries down if there's a difference in how it looks. Oh, wow. When I get up close, you can see that this side looks like brighter and it's kind of sunken into my skin better. This side is a little bit like, I don't know, like just like not discolored, but it doesn't seem as full coverage on this side. It's like it's not the biggest difference, but when I look really up close at my skin, I can tell. But wow, I look so fucking white right now. I really need a dark foundation shade. Around my nose, this looks a lot smoother. On this side, it looks a little bit like, not cakey, but like it's clinging on to all this dead skin over here. whereas this side just looks really, really smooth and it doesn't look like there's any like foundation built up. Even like on my chin, you can see that this side looks like there's just like built up skin, which is so gross to think about. But now that this side is so smooth, I like noticed that it looks like there's just like gunked up like dead skin on my face over here, which is disgusting. I know. This side I really, oh my god, I can't wait until later so I can do it, because I actually really am telling a difference. You can't really see it on camera, but you know when you get super up close to your skin, you can like tell the little imperfections. That's what I'm telling on this side, and this side is like there really aren't any. Like it just looks so freaking good and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead with my sponge and just set my concealer now, which I know this is gonna look better on this side because whenever I put concealer, you know, on my normal face, it like picks up on all the peach fuzz, and there is none on this side now, which is dope. Okay, I'm not getting that patch that I was getting last time I did this. I was getting a patch like right where my contour area was, where like makeup just was not sticking to it. It was so weird. Oh my god, do you see that like glow that my cheek has on this side? That's crazy. Okay, let's highlight. I'm using Ofra Rodeo Drive with my M510 from Morphe brush. Oh my god, blinding. Sickening. I mean, this highlight just is, but okay, do we notice a difference? Oh, this side is so much more blinding. Do you see that? That's crazy, dude. Okay, guys, I finished up my makeup, and this is what the face looks like. This side, so smooth. My highlight is so popping on this side. This side looks great too, obviously, like it's a normal face for me, but I can definitely tell a difference. This side just looks smoother. It was easier to blend. It just, I feel like it's just gonna sit better on the skin because right now it's sitting good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go on with the rest of my day as normal. I'll probably take you guys along with my vlogging camera so that you can check up with me. I am looking so bronze. Thank you, Fake Bake. My face looks really white compared to my body, but I'm living for the tan. So yeah, guys, I'll just check in with you a little bit later. I'm trying to find good lighting in my really not goodly lit, that's not a word, not well lit apartment. Oh, this is okay. Oh, okay. So what time did I put this on? Like 12:31, and I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell in the mirror. First of all, my makeup is like really lasting very well today. Thank you, Bobbi Brown. Thank you all of the other shit I used. But the side that I shaved, it's like less, like you can see the texture more on the side that I didn't. I really don't know if you can be able to tell this on camera, especially in this bad lighting. Also, don't mind my messy kitchen. My whole house is a mess. But this side, it just seems a lot smoother and more poreless and just overall nicer. And this side, you can just see some texture and stuff, like especially in this region where all of the other cheek products are, you can just see more texture. But as a whole, I can't say that this one is like wearing off anymore or this one's like staying on. For the most part, they're pretty even, other than, oh wait, now I'm looking at it and my bronzer and blush and stuff looks way more like pigmented on this side of my face. Can you see that, right? Am I wrong? Am I right? I feel like an equal amount of oily on both sides. Actually, I'm like a little bit more oily here, but not much of a difference. Yeah, so far, so good. I'm telling like a little bit of a difference, but it's basically the same differences that I saw when I first applied the makeup. So in terms of like making your makeup last any longer, I don't think that's a thing, but we'll see. I'm gonna wear it for a little bit longer. I'm going to my mom's house for dinner, so we'll see what she thinks. I'm gonna ask her. Oh my god, this lighting is horrible. Okay, this side. Mom, I did something to one side of my face. Can you tell?
This side,
what does it look?
Is lighter right here.
What do you mean lighter?
Just
look at it as a whole.
There's more contouring on this side.
So this side, wait, which side do you say looks
your
better?
Your right side.
Which side looks better? Birthmark or no birthmark? I want to just record your face. You're like, this is the side. It's not that, just, it's an opinion.
I wish that this side weren't as white right here.
Okay, but what about the rest?
Good. I like
look more at like texture and, you know, like.
Yeah, I like it's very buffed. You're very buffed.
Which side?
This side.
this side looks better, you think?
This side looks more seamless.
You think?
Yeah, this is like a lot going on.
Okay.
You didn't blend it on this side.
That's not true. You know what? I didn't ask for you to come for me. I didn't send for you.
I'm just saying. I'm trying to teach you how to contour. You gotta learn from me.
The contour was not the issue, lady. Okay, now I'll tell you what I did. I shaved this side of my face.
You shaved your face?
Yeah.
Like with what? Like a razor?
A little eyebrow razor. You've never done that to get the peach fuzz off?
Are you fucking kidding me? You're gonna be a goody goo goo.
I've done this a million times. Not a million, but I've done it before.
I'm not shaving shit. My
Got a
ass
lot
will
of
come
peach
back
fuzz.
with it. I'm good with it because I'm not gonna get a fucking bagoats.
No, but this side looks smoother, more poreless, more seamless.
Why would you shave your face? That's not normal.
As an
Who does
experiment,
this?
Mom. I do things for the internet.
Okay, do these motherfuckers on the internet do this shit for you? Use a dumb asses if you're gonna shave your face for her.
Mom, it's a thing.
Okay, I want to know who came up with this bullshit of shaving
I don't know.
your face.
It's called dermaplaning. It's a thing. People pay dermatologists to do it.
Well, pay them.
What?
Why would you risk doing that yourself?
I've done it before. Doesn't this side, look at the texture. This side looks so much smoother.
Let me
This side
feel
is
your
like bumpy. All the dead skin cells are still there. You feel it, don't you?
I just see your pores more. You have less makeup on that side.
No, I don't. I did the same face all over. This side looks better, right?
I'm not with the shaving. I'm not down with the shaving. I'm just not for the shaving.
I can see your peach fuzz in the
I'm
light
okay
of
with
your
my
dim, dull apartment.
Babe, put the lights on. Just saying our shit is dumb and dill. Dill and dumb.
Dumb and dill.
Yes. Why are you done eating? Oh shit, take the chicken out.
So the side looks better. I think I'm trying to convince you, but you said this side looks.
It looks brighter, like you have more makeup there. Yeah, I do see your pores there. Yeah, there is a difference. There is a clear.
That's why I said look at texture.
Yeah, yes, I see it. I'm not in agreement, but I do see the difference. Like your forehead. This right here. I love this forehead. Just very.
I was pushing that forehead out. Was it painful?
Forehead. I'm scarred. Take it out.
Okay, that's Mom's review. She needed convincing, but you agree.
No shaving, America.
I gotta shave the other half of my
when
face
your
when I
ass
take
has
this
a
off.
5 o'clock shadow when you're my age, I'm gonna say I
Listen.
told you so.
I plucked my chin today because of your genetics.
This is what I'm saying. Don't shave. Look at your grandmother. It's got a shit waxed.
We're getting yelled at. We're getting yelled at.
Pull the plug and push.
Pull the plug!
That seemed like the right way to shut off any electronic.
Of course.
Yeah.
It works.
You push stop.
Bogey, what do you think about my pores?
Go lick her face. See which one is smoother. Where did you put the fucking Tupperware for the chicken?
What's up, you guys? I'm editing this video now and I realized I never came back and closed out, but there wasn't really much of an update from the rest of the day. My skin continued looking better on the side that I shaved versus the side that I didn't. So at the end of the night, I did end up shaving the rest of my face. And I have to say my makeup, I'm a little bit oily right now because I've had it on and it was like hot outside and stuff, but my makeup applies so smoothly after I shaved it and it just looks so much better. Like I could tell a difference the entire day. And so this is something I'm definitely going to continue doing on a more regular basis, probably about like once a week, because I just really love the way my makeup applies with it. So if you are interested in more smooth makeup, then I definitely suggest that you guys give it a try. I really enjoy it. I've done it before, but this time is like the first time I've actually like really taken notice at how good my skin looks when I do it. So it's definitely something I'm going to be continued doing, and I recommend you guys do it too. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and that you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Let me know any other kind of like makeup tests or like hacks that you want me to test out here on my channel in the comments down below. I love you guys all so much and I will see you next time.